Kemudian orang mak oleh tu mentang kesini hai nor batau an bagi tanah duk sis bar lain kot. Kihe ni kita ki VIP ki bela yo jingenda pergi bor para kot kau jung tha kasokar pedeng. Ikan ulah cuba walau ke jing keli pelawan rak dak ada bersambut MLA jong ke BPP. Nakan dik sis bar lain kot kon rak oleh tu ba an kot gede ki sat plus kategori, spongot gede ki sat kategori, kakandai ngot gede ki Y plus kategori ba nyep an ngot gede ki bayo ya X kategori. Kini ki bela yo la jingenda ki lokot kom ke jing tha jong kata ke yellow book jong ke Ministry of Home Affairs. Tang ba umla pat benya tu benya ikir kom pahara nambar bakata ka an landika ni ke lubuk kam sya yu ban le kom ta.
Security entitlements of protected persons is as per the classified secret document of security arrangements for protection of individuals, which is called the Yellow Book by the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs. And hence we are restricted to give too many details about the Yellow Book and the details of the Yellow Book in a public domain.
Nagalang badan ulang bulan ra ini kan jikli nama geladan sibun kibri wa kidik sausam senam kibradam kibla tak ye jong ye kali wala pen pa ke serang ka syek bayat ke blawan ra ka jingthut wa ka jingwet ke babon ke patba bar ulabu ke jikli ru ke ki jing pistam basyam ye kibri ke balik kumni.
In these last 4-5 years, it seems that there are too many people, who behave themselves as VIPs. They put back frames on the vehicles, even a vehicle without bearing a registration number, the siren, and this has caused a lot of inconvenience to the people of the state. So maybe a friend of a relative or a business partner of those who are at the helm of affairs, they are taking advantage. And this has become, an eyesore to the people of the state. So may I know, what steps will the government take against those people who behave themselves as
According to all the rules that are there. In fact, even in my personal vehicle also, I don't put black films. So we are ensuring that we practice what we preach. And there could be incidents and there could be individuals, sir, who do this. And as and when complaints come to us and this comes to our notice, immediate action is taken. So if there are any such cases, through you, sir, I can inform all the members that if there are such cases, individuals who are, and if anything comes to our notice, definitely, sir, immediate action will be taken.